Welcome to the introduction to NHI. NHI is a tool which automatically captures every potential useful information about each executed command and everything around, and delivers powerful querying mechanism. Let's see how the tool works in practice and what it allows. For the sake of example, open terminal and run some commands. Go to test directory and try to compile main.c file. It prints error message, but it doesn't really matter for us. If you would like to retrieve this shell session, we run NHI fetch. If NHI fetch is followed by -1, it tries to fetch the latest shell session. However, the latest shell session is this one, so we want to fetch the second latest one, this one. So we replace -1 with -2. As you can see, it works pretty well. It retrieved this shell session. If you would like to fetch only commands that were executed in a certain directory, we run NHI fetch followed by the argument. In our case, I want to fetch only commands that were executed inside test directory. So we run NHI fetch with the argument and path to this directory. So in my case is home Carol test. Okay, we see only the two executed commands. If you would like to fetch shell session, but while showing errors in red color, we supply NHI fetch with stdr in red flag. It will show errors in red color. So as you can see, nothing changed besides the error message, which is now in red color. Very cool little feature. If we for some reason find this shell session useful, we can easily rename it to something like important shell session. It is indicator and it is a new name. Now we can retrieve this session using its new name. So NHI fetch important shell session. So yeah, everything works fine. NHI works very efficiently. So let's search for NHID, which is NHI daemon. It currently uses only 0.1% of memory. If we run some commands like ls, it doesn't change much. Yeah, it doesn't change. However, if you run some more complex commands, it will go slightly up, very slightly. Like, let's run neofetch. It goes to 1.3, so that's very, very low. So you can use NHI on old computers. It will work fine as well. By the way, output of commands like htop or vim or something like that, it's not saved. Another example. I some time ago compiled ZSH. However, I only know that I compiled ZSH using make command, and I know the directory in which I executed the make command. So to retrieve the command that I'm interested in, I need to find it. NHI also gives you this functionality. Let's clear this out. NHI lock alone prints only session names. However, if you supply NHI lock with certain flags, like let's use command flag, only show shell sessions where commands match given regex. So it's in my case make, and we also know the directory. So let's add directory, and it was from Carol projects ZSH 5.8, and also add a long flag to show the command. So as you can see, we have two commands that were executed in this session. To retrieve this command, or at least one of these commands, we run nhi fetch session name, and we add something like this. It will look for range of commands starting from this command until this command, so it will only print one command. And as you can see, it works pretty fine. Here is directory, here is prompt, and output of make command. We can add error flag, which will show errors in red color. As you can see, error is shown in red. Before it was white. And as you can see, all these commands exited with status 0. So NHI might be useful if you are in the situation where you don't want to close your PC only because you're working on something important in your terminal and you need the output of the terminal. Now you can safely close your computer and easily retrieve the shell session that you are interested in using NHI fetch, for example. Or if you figured out that you actually needed a output of a command that you executed, for example, a week ago, like you need error message of some test, for example, you can also very easily search this command and you can retrieve the command. I don't want to make this introduction too long, so I only showed basic features of NHI. if you're interested in more features, or if you want to just test NHI on your own computer, I encourage you to following the README of NHI project on GitHub and installing it on your device. If you have any suggestions, I appreciate them. So that's basically it. Goodbye.